It's very hands-on. We offer both computer and drawn animation and concept art, and the students get to experience the work right away. They get to draw right away, they get to use the computer right away, and all the classes are very practically based. One of the unique things about community college is it's open access, so you don't need prior knowledge or a portfolio or work to get in, and it's relatively low cost.
Before I joined, I knew that I wanted to be in the 3D animation field, so I joined the animation department. I had a little bit of experience before, but still learning the foundational knowledge was a lot of good new information because of the different software, the industry approach, and it was just a great learning experience all around.
We offer an amazing program with hands-on, state-of-the-art equipment, instructors who are, really well-versed in what they do and what they teach, and we offer it for a very reasonable price. There are classes that begin with drawn animation, there are classes that begin with simple design, and there are classes that begin with more computer-based animation. Students don't need any prior experience.
Especially with industry software and stuff, they give you Maya and Substance Painter and Unity for free, which are expensive programs. They gave me a lot of foundational tools and input on what the industry is like. And I thought that whole atmosphere seemed really cool, and I wanted to continue learning.
We live in Los Angeles, and it is the hub for doing animation and entertainment and creativity. The creative economy is a huge part of Los Angeles, and I think that students have a unique experience by being here in the center of things.